limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have a LMB or LMP. That's Professional Mexican League Baseball. LMP specifically is Winter League, Professional Winter League Baseball. And that's what we will be seeing today. Let's take a look at what we have inside. Bam. Naranjeros de Hermosillo. Now, I'll say right off the bat that pronunciation may be a little lacking per se. Some of these, foreign cities, a little tougher to pronounce if you don't speak the language. So if I butchered it, I apologize. But that is the team that we're reviewing. And as you can see, we get a big golden H. That is not the official. This is not the official team hat. But this is just you know how you have the Mets, like a black on black. That's kind of what we have today, just a different style. The club was founded in 1958. They have 16 titles to their name. Not 16 world championships, but 16 titles. It's very tough to win the Winter League. There are 10 teams currently that play in that Winter League. So there's a decent chance instead of like 30 of the MLB teams. But yes, the Caribbean Series brings out the best in competition usually. You have some pretty good players that play in that series. A lot of players that look for Major League Baseball jobs. A lot of young talent as well. Let's take a look at other aspects of the hat. The Naranjeros script in the back, all black. Got that nice gold. Black underbrim, and if you can read it backwards, 729. I believe that is the Mexican currency on this bad boy. Working with a 7 1/4. This Naranjeros cap. Let's take a look. That is the LMB logo, or LMP, I should say, which is 7 1/4, and this is a polyester cap. The guts of the inside of the cap, 5950 LMP. Alright. This team actually has a pretty cool logo. It's like a cartoon orange type of character. And if I ever acquire this team's hat of that variety, it will definitely be showing you. It's pretty cool. But this is the standard H, just the LMP team, a little bit different. We're trying to with variety here. LMP, LMB, NPB. If we can get KBO, which is the Korean baseball organization, along with miscellaneous MLB hats, MILB. That's what you're going to find here. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. More on the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day.